International Kenya has been operating in Kenya since 1982 and over time has carved out a niche for itself in delivering long-term development and relief programs focused on the well-being of children and marginalized communities in 20 of the 47 counties of Kenya. Currently, Plan International has operations in 10 counties in Kenya. Plan International Kenya is now embarking on a bold new ambitious country strategy aligned to sustainable development goals and other global priorities. The goal of the new strategy is ending teenage pregnancies and all forms of violence against girls and young women. The new strategy is anchored on 4 pillars, which are sexual and reproductive health and rights, prevention and response to all forms of gender-based violence and discrimination against girls and young women, protecting girls and young women in crisis and community-led climate change and adaptation, and youth-led and innovative multi-sectoral solutions on job creation. Under the Sexual and Reproductive Health and Rights, Plan International Kenya will contribute to the improved access and utilization of SRHR services and information that will help in the reduction of teenage pregnancies and harmful practices that girls face. Under prevention and response to all forms of gender-based violence and discrimination against girls and young women, Plan International Kenya will ensure that children and girls' rights protection mechanisms at all levels are functional and responsive in preventing and responding to all forms of violence and abuse against children and girls, both physically and on digital platforms. Under protecting girls and young women in crisis and community-led climate change adaptation, Plan International Kenya will work towards minimizing the impact of disasters on girls, young women, families, and communities through emergency response and resilience building. Under the Youth-Led and Innovative Partnership Solutions on Job Creation, Plan International Kenya will be a builder of innovative multi-sectoral, high-value and equal partnerships that will contribute towards building a stronger ecosystem for youth employment and entrepreneurship while unlocking the potential of young people, especially vulnerable young women. Our ambition in the next 5 years is to reach 2,750,000 children and young people with a primary focus on girls so they can learn, lead, decide and thrive by the year 2026. We will achieve this through community-based engagements, promoting positive attitudes, behaviors and practices towards adolescent girls and young women, promoting social campaigns that increase the agency of adolescent girls and young women, partnerships with UN agencies, donor bodies, private organizations, community-based organizations, civil societies organizations, national and county governments, influencing power holders, continuous involvement of boys and men as allies and partners in gender equality, and leveraging ICT for development and learning and knowledge management. Plan International Kenya is well placed to ensure that adolescent girls, young women and youth are empowered to make informed choices on their sexuality, to break gender barriers, to access equal opportunities and are protected from all forms of violence.